What's going on? My name is Michael Petty. Starting off, I want to appreciate you in advance for taking the time to watch this video all the way through. I want to talk about building a profitable online business using high ticket commissions. Building a system that's going to attract high ticket people, generating consistent income. You want to build a high ticket sales funnel. And you want to make sure that funnel attracts leads, nurture your leads, and converts those people to sales. Without the information having enough value, it may not attract the right people. It may not convert those people into say, you know what, this information is valuable. I can see myself making those sales. Let's go ahead and jump into this. You need a system that's going to drive people through the buying process. To give you an example, this is my lead capture page. Take control of your cash flow with a done for you system that handles the selling for you. A lot of people have problem with selling these days. So if a system is there to help you make those sales, that just simplifies the process for you. You don't need an experience. You focus on driving the traffic. We close the sales and you collect direct payments. The system that I'm promoting has a sales team, right? You drive the traffic. The system collects the name, the email address, and I like to do the phone number because the phone number attracts more serious people. It attracts the type of people who want to make the $500, $1,000, and $2,000 paydays. And the whole thing about when you talk about that level of income, you talk about a whole different mindset of people. You're talking about serious people because nobody going to spend $2,000 and say, oh, okay, if I don't make no money, no problem. Now you're talking about $20, $50. They don't make any sales. They're not losing much. $2,000 level of mindset a person has to have to believe they can do it. If you have that mindset and you saying, I know I can make $2,000, you already have the belief, right? You have that in you. Everybody has it in them, but you have to believe it's possible. So I like to use Power Lead System to build those pages. I built that page using Power Lead System, which this is the back office, but I like to use the old version, the legacy. Right, Power Lead System is a full-blown tool suite that you can use to build pages, funnels, anything. So just right here, I had a lot more than this, but I went through and I deleted a lot of pages that I had before. But these are all the pages I created here. But one thing I like about this also, it coming with a built-in autoresponder. You can make your own autoresponder. So what I did was I created my own email campaign to tell my story, tell success stories, give you mindset information that's going to help you through the process. Go through the information, get it for yourself, then you have an idea of what you can put out there into the marketplace. But it all starts with a good capture page. And after the capture page, I like to take people to the bridge page. Quick video introducing myself, got my contact information, and they can go ahead and click here, and then it takes them directly into the presentation using the business link. I promote Exitus Elite, phenomenal company, 10-year-old company, longevity. The owner himself do webinars almost every single Wednesday. Sometimes he can't do it because he also have a storefront. Busy individual. But the last webinar we had, he went back in the vaults when he did some training. When I say that was a great webinar, it actually opened up my mind and my eyes to the way I was marketing. I was like, you know what? Let me switch how I'm marketing. Let me change some things about what I'm doing because I personally haven't seen anything better than these two. You talk about $2,000 commissions and you're talking about building residual income, just building pages for your primary business because somebody else going to say, you know what, that makes sense. I need to stand out from the crowd, not look like everybody else. So let me create my own pages. Exitus Elite already come with lead capture pages, but everybody in the company had those lead capture pages. But nobody has a lead capture page specifically with my face on it. Right? This is my capture page. No one else is going to have it. So I stand out from anybody in the world. So that's an example of having a sales funnel. That's what I just showed you was like a micro sales funnel. You have the lead capture page, the bridge page, and you go directly into the business presentation. Power Lead System has an AI funnel that has a little bit more steps in this, and it's automated. So you drive the traffic and the system basically take over everything from there. Even the AI reaches out to your prospects, call them, text them, all that. Matter of fact, you can even test it out for 7 days if you want to. You can even check out the AI system for yourself. And when you get into the sales page, it actually has on there where you can actually talk to the AI and you can see how it works. I did a video about that also. Now, driving targeted traffic. You can either use pay-per-click, you can use solo ads, right? Looking for the people in your specific niche, or you can just put out valuable information out there on social media. But no, using both strategies work, okay? Buying traffic. Let's say you don't have a lot of time to spend on social media like me. I work 10-hour days, 11-hour days. I don't have a whole lot of time to spend on social media. So I create content when I can, just like this video, creating the content when I can. But outside of that, if I can run traffic, okay, to my lead capture page, and when I do create content, that content lives on the internet 24/7, working for me 24/7, even when I'm asleep. Because when I'm asleep, somebody could be watching my video, the internet name and email address, and the system takes over from there. Okay, even when I'm creating content and put out there on social media, that's going to attract new people to the list. And I take that same information and email it out to the people who is already on my list so they won't miss it. Because maybe they saying, okay, I seen this information, let me look over here. But if I email it to them, they go to the email address, and it's kind of a reminder of who I am, a reminder of what I do, and I'm sharing value, right? Sharing what I do to make sales. So if a person decide they want to go that route and start getting results, good. But they want to go another route, they can. So after driving the traffic, you can have your system do the automated follow-up, just as I showed you with Power Lead System. I know I'm going through this information kind of quick, so you can pause and read through it if you would like to. But let's move on from here. Now it's about scaling your business. You want to track what's working, what's not working. You want to just stop doing it. Or if it's not working, but you enjoy it, tweak it. Okay, constantly working to it, changing some things here and there. Maybe you need to change your copy. Maybe you need to change your videos. Maybe you need to make sure that your videos are going to attract the right people. Make sure your content is going to attract the right people. Then as you buying traffic, you start making sales. You're going to take a portion of the money that you made and put it back into your business, driving more traffic, getting more eyeballs on your information to your list. And then as you create content, you send it out to your list. So that's the basis behind building a business, profitable business. It's very simple. Get traffic, human beings, to your lead capture page to get on your list, and you continue to create valuable content. Okay? Create an email campaign that's going to tell your story, give case studies, show how other people are winning, give people encouragement, give people mindset training, just some information that they can use to move forward in their business, whether they join you or not. Just you want to stay relevant, because it could be a point of time where they may get tired of the business that they're in, because they probably made some changes, or maybe they just not getting the results they want in their business. But you're staying in their face, constantly hearing you and seeing you, and they seeing you continue to push forward in your business, right? You locked in, like I'm locked in with Power Lead System. I'm locked in with Exitus Elite. There's nothing else out there for me. I don't even really know what's out there. I hear about opportunities, but I don't check them out. I have no reason to. I'm locked in, right? So anybody who comes a part of my team don't have to worry about me pushing anything else in front of them, because that's it. Okay, the only way I promote anything else is if these companies shut down. If one shut down, one open, I'm going with that. Okay, both of them shut down, then I may look for something else. But right now, I'm done. I'm home 100%. So check this out. This is just some information about the blog post. If you're seeing this video on my blog, go ahead and read the content down below. I go in more in-depth information about the information I just shared with you here. If you're on any other platform, head over to thepettyscorner.com and look for that title, How to Build a Profitable Business with High Ticket Commissions. And you can read over the entire blog post. Once again, my name is Michael Petty. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. My contact information is through this funnel. Feel free to call me, text me, DM me, have whatever way you feel comfortable getting in touch with me. I have no problem jumping on the phone with you. I had some leads come through that I have to call back. I think I had called somebody earlier because they didn't answer, but I left a voice message. Now there's a couple people I have to call. Right now it's 11:44 p.m., so I'm not gonna call them this late. And it could be possibly over there. I'm on the east side, so they could possibly be on the west side, which is like 3 hours behind me, but still, I like to call people more towards the middle of the day if possible, if I'm not at work, of course. And I understand that whole thing, me having a full-time job may turn a lot of people off, but it's funny because 90% of people still have a full-time job who's in this business. A lot of people don't join a business to quit their jobs. A lot of them do, but there's some who just want to make ends meet. There are some people who might want to make just $500 a month, right? With Exitus Elite, that's one sale per month of $500. Boom, you're done. It's not selling a lower cost product, okay, like a $50 product, but you can make one sale of $500 and you're done for that month if that's your goal. You want to continue to go forward, of course, but you don't have to recruit an entire army of people just to make a $2,000 sale. Exodus Elite takes one $2,000 sale to make $2,000, right? So it's all about what you really want to do. You want to make life-changing income, you got to position yourself to make that life-changing income. $25, $50 ain't gonna do it. Now you're talking about building residual income of $20 over and over again. Well, that builds up, that adds up. Okay, so that's a little different than just making one-time sales. What I like to do is, the way I think about Exodus Elite, I say it's a payday loan that you never have to pay back, right? And as far as Power Lead System, building residual income, and you can also make those one-time sales inside of Power Lead System, and the system does the selling for you. It's designed to upsell for you. It's like getting a raise without the approval of your boss. If that sounds good to you, go ahead and contact me. Click the link down in the description. If you're on my blog already, go ahead and check that information down below. My name is Michael Petty. Talk to you soon.